guys? Welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is the 14th of March, ladies and gents. I do apologize. Things are getting so freaking busy during the day here at the office, and there is a lot happening in the crypto world, so I'm going to get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because again, as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking wild in this space at the moment. Seriously, they're freaking wild. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? Formalities are out of the way. There is a lot happening today. Seriously, there's a lot. I've summarized a few news articles just to get through this video quicker, because again, I'm just rushing at the moment because you guys matter and I need to put content out. That's a given. It's just bullish news everywhere at the moment. Anyway, top altcoins in the portfolio. We had Nexra, Reserve Rights, Loopring, Pit. Don't buy Pit if you know, it's just a meme coin. It was a gamble with a friend. I've been holding it for a long time. And Hero, again, very, very nice to see a couple of gems right there. A couple of them are just BS, to be honest with you. Utilities king. Supply shock is literally coming to Bitcoin. There are currently 1.8 million Bitcoin left on exchanges globally, and things are starting to heat up. BlackRock is buying up so much freaking Bitcoin and all of these funds. It's literally going to drain the entire market. Very, very interesting, all right? Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap, have a quick look at this. We've got 4.1 trillion Aussie dollars, I should say. I was looking at the prices at Aussie dollars today. Does happen. Now, let's go to US dollars, because, again, I'm catering for everybody around the world. Again, 2.76 billion. $136 billion in volume. We've got 52% Bitcoin dominance, which is really nice, and 91 on the Fear and Greed Index. Excuse me. Bitcoin sitting at $73,387 at the time of recording, which is 8 p.m. here in Australia. Ethereum's at 3,900. Solana is up 11.51% today, which is just crazy. $170 US. To think that I bought this when it collapsed with FTX, oh gosh, the beginning of last year. Crazy to see it's at $170 US. Is Solana, in your opinion, the next Ethereum for this bull market? Seriously, have a think about it. Do your research with what Raoul Pal is saying. Have a look at it, because this is going to get wild. XRP's at 68 cents. I'm not going to go through all of them because there's a lot to get through today, but Hedera's at 12 cents as well. XLM is at 14 cents. I'm focused on utility, as you can tell. Let's move on. We've got Algorand at 31 cents. We've got Say and Sui, $1.60 and 86 cents right here. Scrolling down, WorldCoin at $9.52. IOTA at 40 cents. Okay, very, very nice to see that. Very, very good gains and gems, in my opinion. Wall Street Bull University, if you have not joined up to this unreal community of mine, go join up. It is linked below. I've kept it at $5 US a month, or $8.50 Australian. It's absolutely nothing. I've put a lot of effort and information into this to literally help as many people as I possibly can, as well as, of course, this channel. But the Wall Street Bull University is really bullish community, guys. It really is. There's an awesome chat feature in here. It's like a big family. It's really, really cool stuff. 1,846 posts and over 940 plus members at the moment. It's crazy. I don't even know how to clear the cache on this phone to show you guys. But anyway, go join up. It is linked below. Now, quick look at 3Commas. Again, I've got a lot of bots running on 3Commas. 72 trading bots at the moment. Links for 3Commas are below. Go join up to this if you are interested in trying automatic trading, because it's ridiculous. It literally is insane. Again, I've got multiple bots set up here on 3Commas. Again, spot trading. as against, a hedge against the liquidations with leverage, and as well as multi-bots, which allowed you to trade all of the perpetual contracts on OKX, and also my single pair positions with leverage as well on 15x leverage trading single pairs. All of these bots are using an RSI indicator on a 3-minute time frame, taking 1.5% profits. I've let these run now for, gosh, it's now been, what, 11, no, not 11 months. Yeah, about 11 months coming towards the end of this month. So it's been incredible. Honestly, it's ridiculous. I absolutely love the software. It's really straightforward. Everything's in the Patreon, by the way. So there's full instructional videos on how to set all of this up. Now, again, I'm using OKX. They are a partner of the channel. And just to show you guys what's going on here, this is my actual portfolio. I'm up 684 on the day using 3 commas trading bots, 2,800 on the week. And on the month, I'm up $9,942. So that's, sorry, $9,492, which is just ridiculous. This is what happens in a bull market. There are some regulatory changes coming to OKX. I will still use them, of course. They're an incredible exchange. However, people need to be aware that in Australia, the Australian regulator is coming down really hard on crypto at the moment. Banks are coming down really hard on crypto at the moment. It's absolutely wild. OKX have a new KYC requirement from ASIC in Australia, and again, Binance went through this. A lot of exchanges go through this. It's just a little hurdle at the moment, and we will have to register as wholesale clients under the Securities Act, or the Act for the Australian government here. Anyway, there's a few requirements. I'm not entirely sure how this is going to play out and what's going to be required, but 20th of March, so it's only in a couple of days. We will have to obviously register and KYC again in order to trade with leverage. But I'm keeping a close eye on it. I'm updating my community literally every single day when I get notified. Go join up, bulls. It's no BS. Currently got 197 orders in the book at the moment. 96 trading positions, which is ridiculous. Going to the position history, it may be delayed, but that's fine. This is all today. Profits are being made. Gains are being made. It's just a name of the game. Trading both long and short, of course. Small profits, but they do add up. And again, I will put a warning out. You do get liquidated when you're trading with leverage, so just bear that in mind. If there is a market crash, or Grayscale, our favorite fund, decides to sell off a hell of a lot of Bitcoin, there will be a crash in the market. It's happened numerous times over the last few months, and I've lost thousands and thousands of dollars, but the bots have made that back. And we're slowly creeping back up into some crazy bullish territory. Okay, so go join up to the Wall Street Bull. No BS. Links for 3 commas are below. OKX links are below as well. And join the Wall Street Bull University. That's the most important thing, because I think everybody needs a community around them that's real, that allows people to communicate with each other and ask questions. You can directly message me as well, but it does take me some time because there's just so many people. It's impossible for me to get to everybody at once. So the community's awesome. Everyone's giving great advice in there to each other. It's just freaking awesome. And it's so much better than Discord. All right. Discords, there's like 20 or 30,000 people in there, and it's just a mess. So go join up. I've kept this exclusive. Go join up to it, guys. It's really awesome. Quick look on the hour on Crypto Bubbles. It's a sea of green. And again, Solana's up 1.8% on the hour. It's up 802% this year. 802%. Where in the hell do you get a return like that in any other investment? It just does not exist. Not even real estate. Crazy. Anyway, I will go to XRP though, because I'm bullish on that. And by the way, Wave of Innovation is happening next week on the Gold Coast in Australia. I am flying up on the Saturday. I will be there. I'm landing around about 10:30 in the morning, and I'll be heading straight to the conference. If you're going there, would love to chat with you and would love to have a coffee with you. And I'll be heading back home late afternoon because I've got the Grand Prix on the Sunday, which is going to be wild. And I've never missed a Grand Prix for the last 10 plus years. So there you go. Go get your tickets at Wave of Innovation. Everything is linked in the description. Ripple and XRP again. Bitcoin ETFs have captivated the US investors as are poised to charm the world of finance and is poised to extend their trackers to cryptocurrencies. According to the rumors, Ripple's XRP could be next on the list. Could you imagine if Gary Gensler approved an XRP ETF? oh, he'd be just like a child in the grocery store at the candy, aisle, going crazy. Anyway, since the green light from the US Securities Exchange Commission on January 10th, Bitcoin ETFs have been a resounding success. Currently, all eyes are turning back on the American regulator, obviously for the Ethereum spot ETF, and again, XRP as well. And Martin Heisboek right here, apologies if I can't pronounce his name, but hints an upcoming XRP ETF, citing positive developments and legal clarity. XRP does surge 20.5%, reaching a new yearly high peak despite previous concerns of potential for global investment opportunities. There will be ETFs for multiple cryptocurrencies. It's inevitable. This is the way of the future. This is where cryptocurrencies are going. They're going to replace the old legacy systems that have been here for hundreds of years. It needs to go. It needs to freaking change. I've had enough. Bitcoin halving as well, bulls. Again, we're not that far away, probably 30 days, call it a month, which is really nice as well. And with 1 month left until the Bitcoin halving, slashing mining rewards to 3.125 Bitcoin happening between April 17th and April 20th has led to an increase of sales from miners and big Bitcoin owners, stirring concerns about Bitcoin's value. There is going to be a supply-demand issue going on here. There's just going to be a supply shock. That's going to run out. Things are going to get pretty wild in this space, and it's only going to increase in value. So again, these ETFs are buying up as much freaking Bitcoin as they possibly can, because it's just going to be an asset that's going to continue to grow over time, and they want to be holding as much as possible. Analysts are predicting Ethereum is not done. Crypto analysts see a new target for Ethereum at $5,000, which is insane to think that. And as much as I don't like Ethereum, it is going to be a top player in this next bull market. I've seen analysts predict between $10,000 to $40,000 for Ethereum if these ETFs get approved. That is going to be wild. And anyway, putting aside all my hate for the gas fees, it's part of the portfolio as well. And Ethereum's momentum has been building for weeks amidst the broader crypto market increase, which has seen many cryptocurrencies reach new highs. And the price of Ethereum has increased by 53% in the past 30 days alone. Ridiculous. Now, again, this is crazy. I'm not going to get into that one. But Bitcoin ETFs leapfrog Grayscale's haul in a scary fast surge. Bitcoin held by ETFs in the United States have, again, unseated Grayscale. The speed at which they've done so has exceeded expectations, and Grayscale still holds a considerable amount of Bitcoin, which is concerning because they're just loading it off like crazy onto Coinbase. Now, Solana, again, the Ethereum of last cycle. Raoul Pal has been extremely bullish on this, and I've seen gains in Solana, which are just mind-blowing, and we're just getting started. And I will be taking profits probably, towards the end of this year, and obviously holding on to that because who knows where this is going to go, right? Now, again, Solana is experiencing a strong bullish momentum with analysts predicting a potential surge of 570% this cycle. Nuts to think about that as well. Solana is nearing the golden ratio resistance at $170, with a breakthrough potentially leading to a new all-time high around $260. Bullish signals include the upward trend, the MACD histogram, and the monthly chart, and strong support against Bitcoin at the 0.382 Fibonacci level. And however, bearish indicators the potential rejection at 170. I think it will surpass that. And renowned analyst Raoul Pal believes that Solana could surge between 235% and 570% this cycle, comparing it to Ethereum in the previous cycle, which is crazy when you think about that, because that went from a few hundred US up to, $4,000 at the top. It's just crazy. Ridiculous, mind-blowing. Let's look at buy flow. We've got money going into Ethereum, Solana. We've got, again, Shiba Inu. I do hold that. We've got Phantom, BCH, LTC, Cardano, Pepe. I'm not that invested in that. I'm just trading it. That is pretty much it. Quick look at X, and I'm going to end up on the video. Thank you very much to all of you, 6,243 people that followed me on X. I really appreciate it, guys. And I'm looking forward to meeting everybody next week on Saturday on the Gold Coast. Now, again, moving on, Justin Michael Saylor MicroStrategy to raise $500 million to purchase more Bitcoin. This guy is a king at raising capital. People need to understand how difficult that is, right? Yes, there is only 1.8 million Bitcoin left on exchanges for 7 billion people on the planet. Do the math, all right? Crazy. Breaking. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF total inflows just overtook Grayscale total outflows for the first time Thank you. BlackRock took $1 billion for the first time yesterday, and inflows are accelerating while GBTC are flattening out. It's about freaking time. Eric Balkanis right here. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, man. I get asked a lot of interviews whether the 10 Bitcoin ETFs will survive, and the answer is 100% yes. They will all be here in a year. Even the latest in the assets under management, BTCW, has a healthy $74 million out of the 108 ETFs launched in 2024. Really, really nice to see that. A bull flag has formed, with some analysts predicting an imminent pump to nearly 1,549%. Brace yourself for $12.45 XRP. That would be very, very bullish day. Again, Sadif right here. Thank you, Sadif. Sorry. Looking forward to seeing you next week, by the way, at the XRP Wave of Innovation. We are in the belief cycle right here. Peak of the bull market is going to be euphoria. We're not that far away from it, guys, so just prepare yourselves. And that is pretty much it. Yes, Elon Musk is going to be allowing Dogecoin to purchase Tesla. Have a listen to this quickly. We'll end up on this.
So, in fact, a lot of people maybe don't know the reason that I actually ended up sort of, somewhat endorsing Dogecoin was when I was walking around the factory at Tesla. Some people were just, they were working the line, like not rich people or anything, and they said, "Can you please support Doge?" And then also, I was at SpaceX and also just, walking the factory, and some regular guys just said, "Hey, can you support Doge?" And I was like, you know what? Doge is the people's crypto, so I will support it. Because
very, very bullish stuff right there. There are some updates in relation to XRP as well. Below is the revised schedule for remedies briefing. Again, SEC's opening brief is due on March 22nd. Ripple's opposition brief is due on the 22nd of April as well. Reply brief is due the May 6th. Okay, so there's the update. Anyway, bulls, that is it. I'm out of here. Make sure you join the Wall Street Bull University. I'm so bullish on utility coins. It's mental. Make sure you have a good night. Join the Patreon. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right, peace out, bulls. Bye.